Hello students, welcome to Dr. Tanwar's MCQs Physics. This is part 4, the final and most challenging set of MCQs from the chapter Gravitation. These 25 questions are high level and tricky, specially designed for NEET aspirants targeting top ranks as well as IIT, JEE, and Class 11 board examinations. Each question will appear with options. First, pause the video, think carefully, and choose the correct answer. All correct answers, short explanations, and key formulas will be discussed at the end of the video. Let us begin. Question 76. If the radius of Earth is decreased by 1% and its mass is decreased by 2%, the percentage change in acceleration due to gravity is approximately option A 0%, option B 2% decrease, option C 4% decrease. Question 77. Two satellites A and B orbit Earth with total energies minus E and minus 2E respectively. The ratio of their orbital radii is option A 1 is to 2, option B 2 is to 1, option C 1 is to root 2. Question 78. A body is taken from Earth's surface to a depth equal to half the radius of the Earth. The percentage change in its weight is approximately option A 25% decrease, option B 50% decrease, option C 75% decrease. Question 79. If a satellite has zero total mechanical energy, it is option A in circular orbit, option B in elliptical orbit, option C just escaping Earth. Question 80. The ratio of escape velocity at Earth's surface to escape velocity at a height equal to Earth's radius is option A root 2 is to 1, option B 1 is to root 2, option C 2 is to 1. Question 81. If the orbital speed of a satellite is reduced slightly, it will option A fall vertically to Earth, option B move to a lower orbit, option C move to a higher orbit. Question 82. At the center of Earth, which of the following quantities is non-zero? Option A gravitational field, option B gravitational potential, option C acceleration due to gravity. Question 83. If the density of a planet is doubled while its radius remains the same, the escape velocity becomes option A root 2 times, option B 2 times, option C unchanged. Question 84. A satellite moving in a circular orbit has option A constant velocity, option B constant momentum, option C constant angular speed. Question 85. The gravitational potential at a height h above the Earth's surface is numerically equal to option A minus g multiplied by r plus h, option B minus gm divided by r plus h, option C minus gm divided by r square. Question 86. If Earth suddenly stops rotating, the maximum increase in g will be at option A poles, option B equator, option C 45 degrees latitude. Question 87. A satellite is orbiting Earth just above the surface. If Earth's mass suddenly becomes half, the satellite will option A fall back to Earth, option B escape, option C move in a higher orbit. Question 88. The ratio of kinetic energy to gravitational potential energy of a satellite in circular orbit is option A 1 is to minus 2, option B 1 is to minus 1, option C 2 is to minus 1. Question 89. If acceleration due to gravity at a height h is equal to g by 9, the value of h is option A 2r, option B root 8r, option C 8r. Question 90. The work done by gravitational force in a moving a satellite from radius r to 2r is option A positive, option B negative, option C 0. Question 91. If the time period of a satellite is doubled, its orbital radius becomes option A 2r, option B 4r, option C root 2r. Question 92. A planet has the same mass as Earth but half the radius. The escape velocity becomes option A same as Earth, option B root 2 times, option C 2 times. Question 93. Gravitational field intensity is maximum at option A Earth's surface, option B Earth's center, option C infinite distance. Question 94. If Earth's radius decreases by 1%, the percentage change in g is approximately option A 1% increase, option B 2% increase, option C 4% increase. Question 95. For a satellite in circular orbit, the centripetal force is provided by Option A, tension. Option B, gravitational force. Option C, centrifugal force. Question 96. The gravitational potential energy of a system becomes zero when the separation between masses is option A 0, option B finite, option C infinite. Question 97. If the orbital radius of a satellite is reduced to one-fourth, its orbital speed becomes option A 2v, option B root 2v, option C 4v. Question 98. A satellite is geostationary if its angular velocity equals option A Earth's orbital angular velocity, option B Earth's rotational angular velocity, option C 0. Question 99. By convention, gravitational potential is taken as 0 at option A Earth's surface, option B Earth's center, option C infinity. Question 100. Which quantity remains conserved for a satellite under gravitational force? Option A linear momentum, option B angular momentum, option C velocity. Now pause the video and review your answers. Let us move to the correct answers with short explanations and important formulas. MC